Yeah. Listen up. Out of gang. Step into the clinic. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. You staring at the chart, paralyzed by the greed. Holding on a runner that is guaranteed to bleed. You won't take the profit cause your confidence is weak. Thinking this is the only green candle of the week. Get out your banking chariot and execute the plan. Secure the bag, homie, step up like a man. If your strategy is tight, you find another play. Don't round trip the bag and give your wealth away. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. We hitting base hits, we don't swing for the fence. A pocket full of profit is the absolute best defense. Wait for the VWAP, slap to hit the flow. Take your money, run away, and then we do it some more. Stop, top blasting, homie acting like a clown. When the pink box prints, you ride the money down. The market maker algorithms wanna see you break. So take the easy money that is yours to take. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. To trade it note for note. Don't worry, take profit. Don't worry, take profit.
Don't worry,
Take profit.
don't worry.
Take profit. Now you wait for that VWAP slap to hit. No namby-pamby out here chasing the bid. You hold your line, you hold your line, you hold your line. Don't worry, take profit.
Don't worry,
Take profit.
don't worry.
Take profit.
Now don't you be a douche, canoe and cry when you round trip your bag and wonder why. Take your small wins and your even smaller losses. The gang up in here trading like bosses.
We don't worry, no, we don't worry. Don't worry, take profit.
Don't worry,
Take profit.
don't worry.
Take profit.
Don't worry,
Take profit.
we're making crypto
but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
What you know about juice? Making them moves. That flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. Happy Friday. Otter gang. What is going on, everybody? Good morning. I swear we should be trading Asia and London session lately. However, we are scratch and sniffing this morning on a beautiful Friday. We have come up into our pink box. Will we be nesting in there over the weekend, or will we will we run away? Let's see. What is going on, gang? Good to see you guys. Good morning. Happy Friday. Hopefully you're all doing well. It is a beautiful Friday. We do have data coming out in 25 minutes. Our beautiful unemployment rate. So, lots of fun. I guess we've been anticipating the non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate data. Nothing like a little pink box and run kind of Friday. I didn't short it. I was kind of just getting up. I wasn't prepared to press any buttons. But yeah, Wayne loves a good old pink box tap on a Friday. I am not the biggest fan of this pink box, if we're being honest. Like this pink box, it took me a while to actually put it on the chart. For me, this pink box represents it's like an X or something, you know? You know, it's one of those, what are those memes? It's like those memes are like everything reminds me of her, like, you know. Welcome to the Friday stream. He's already off the hinges. Oh, snap. That's early. That might be a bit early. But, you know, we're here for it. We're here for Bitcoin cooling off a little bit. Everything reminds me of her. So here we are. Can we continue? For me, the way we've moved up here is not sustainable. Okay, like, hey, Discord yesterday, we caught both trades perfectly. Okay, we longed here, right? We longed here. Okay, perfect trade setups yesterday on the Discord. Absolute perfection, mate. Okay, and we've been in this market to have the patience to wait for this low and to catch it with the whole entire gang in the Discord. That's the gang. We slapped it. So I slapped it for like $650 or something. I mean, a nice little $800 day yesterday. Very, very simple. There's that beautiful slap trade there. $650. Bitcoin entry 64.4. 627, right? So just doing it, man. That's it. So right now this is up only. Do I want to get in the way of this? Not really. I would rather like visit her a couple times up in here, and then we'll see. Uptrending momentum here, trying to push back. Reset continuation. NASDAQ indecision right now. Okay, very choppy coming into this data. Biddy, Solana, all looking good. Healthy, happy, clarity. All right. Oh, man. And hopefully, if you're a London session trader in our Discord, I gave you this level. Okay, so there's no reason why you wouldn't be long off of the lows. There's no reason. I mean, cha-ching, cha-ching. Sometimes the levels are just too juicy for some people, but we continue to do well. So we're coming into that data right now. Gold is dropping, funnily enough. All right, even though gold has rallied. Okay, so gold is rallying. Let's change that statement here. Pre-market Micron looking really good. SpaceX, Tesla, all looking really good. We have not received the data yet, guys. We still got 20 minutes. This could change dramatically after our very important unemployment non-farm payroll data. Don't worry, Canadians don't have jobs, so that one doesn't count. Look at that, 6.5% in Canada. Shockingly shite, mate. Shockingly shite. Order block retest continuation up. Push into the pink box. You guys are going back for another rep. Now this pink box, why I don't like it, it's because of the cluster of price action, right? Like it's not like a clean swing low to swing high golden pocket. Man, this thing's ripping now. Okay. There is a liquidity grab in here. We have slapped that. Coming back right now. Oof, it's tempting. It's tempting to hit it. I ain't gonna hit it though. I'm a married man. I'm a happy man. I'm more than a happy man. I'm forever grateful to my wife. She's the best. But sometimes the pink box on the chart, Sol's on one. I mean, Sol. If Sol gets going here, Sol's gonzo, man. Downtrending momentum on Solana. Breaking, retesting. Look at the perfect break retest on Solana last night. Boop, boop. Ciao. Arrivederci. Buonasera. Bitcoin about to go and get a second date. He's going up here. Bitcoin's melting. Jeez. Nice push here. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. You got to let me know. Let's say good morning to everybody. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here. 200 people on the live stream bringing in the pump, baby. Let's go. We got Keen Bean, BTC, DCA. Whew. Up we go, man. This is unreal. Jackson, Why Crypto, Christian Rogers, Norms, David. What's going on? Moonshine, Rudy, The Real, Baytay. Gates to profit. Let's go. Gang, 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 baby. Let's go, Dual T. Mr. B Red, you see? 585 trader. He'd be printing. Good to see you, Army Piper. Hey, Crypto Rob, my brother. How you doing, family? Good to see you, man. Shri and Pandy always here. Gang, gang, gang. Oof. Just the way this thing is ripping. See you later. This is what happens when they realize the Clarity Act is a load of shit, and now it can go up. Right? You notice how it's going up now when the Clarity Act has been confirmed. It's not going through. In the last 2 weeks, I've never seen so much bullshit posted about a word Clarity Act in my life. Jojo, good to see you. Crypto Mel, Ollie's, good to see you. Wayne Rossi, good to see you, bro. How you doing? Son of the King, hell yeah. Cena, Fred, Rashad, Mindmates, good morning, man. Good to see you. Kevin, got wood, 1980. That's a long time to have some wood, man. Man, you splitting cords over there. Dependable, good to see you. Alexandra G, the mod queen of all modding. God bless you. Thank you for being here. Whew, Solana, my girl. My girl. Who's winning now? Wave Cypher. Sorry, I had to say that. Wave Cypher been shorting Solana on me. You know, I asked him if he still wanted a job. This guy keeps saying, "Oh, short Solana. It's underperforming Bitcoin." Short Solana. Every time I go on his stream, you know, I'm like, bro, how are you gonna do that to my token? What about now? We're up to 0.3% on our Bitcoin pairs. I don't know how he can do that to me, man. I thought we were family here. It has been bleeding out against Bitcoin. I'll give him credit where credit is due. But you can't treat my coin like that. That's not fair. That's not fair to me. That's not fair to the gang. Solana's gonna win anyways. It's okay. Look at gold here. Breakout retest. I was accumulating at $4,000. You guys tell me. I think I did all right. With receipts, obviously. With receipts. Always with receipts. I'm a receipt kind of guy. No receipt, no proof. All bullshit. Making crypto honest again. Dependable. Good to see you. Aaron, how we doing? MM Miller, Rashad, BTC, JR Prince. Let's go, baby. Light man. Good morning. Good to see you. Chantel, God bless you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Good morning. Philly Skills, Wagwan. Hopefully you're doing all right, bro. Hotos, good afternoon. MP Trading, Terry. Good morning, guys. I want to short this thing so bad right now. Let's get a lazy river trade. We always love the lazy river trade, man. You're just like holding hands, two otters going down the river, making lots of money. I'm not touching this until I have the data, guys. So we got 15 minutes to say good morning to you guys, talk a little smack, prepare ourselves. We're in a pink box here. I would typically be looking for shorts, but the momentum is hella strong, so we leave it alone right now. French Toast, Darren does things. Trez Turk. Good morning, man. Good to see you, Rashad. Commando. Today is an important day for Bitcoin. I mean, yes and no. We are still like, guys, we're in August, so a lot of people don't give a shit about Bitcoin right now. They're in their cottages or, you know, they're on the lake. We would be rich if AlexOCrypto didn't block us with the pink box. Dusty, I gave you guys the long down here. The long here and the long here. You guys should already be rich. Now you should just be looking to add to your to your position. Oh man, Sonny Black, good to see you, man. Good morning, OC Carpinterio. And anyways, it's too much words for the morning, man. Pep, good morning. Good to see you, Ace of Hearts. Ero, good morning, man. Waiting for clicking the red button here. Yeah, we wait for the red button. I would like confirmation, really, like a little mitigation of the low. But, you know, we could potentially scalp short it. We'll see. We'll see, man. Got to have some cojones to fade this move. So, Sonny Black, decent crypto. I would like the news to come out and a slap down and then a bounce. That would be awesome if we could get like a very aggressive, like, you know? It even makes that noise when you click the button. Just a wet noodle slap. Space is good to see a decent crypto. Good morning, man. Milan, Dano. That video yesterday on what to do before you trade in the morning was great. You're welcome, bro. Yeah, I've been trying to pump out like more content for you guys. But man, the views on them suck, if I'm being honest. Like, I don't even know if it's worth my time. Some people are really enjoying them. You guys asked for it. I said, what do you guys want more of? And then I get what? 100 views on this? I'm getting 3K, 4K views on the live streams. 200 views, 500 views. I mean, I'd be giving away all the sauce on these things, and you guys not liking and subscribing and all that stuff. So, I mean, and believe me, I do not like YouTubing. Okay, I'm not your go-to genuine YouTuber who's going to hire a video editor and a thumbnail artist to con you into clicking my videos and measure the click-through rate so that you will be my subscribers. I just asked you to say good morning, man. It's very simple. You know, get away from our roots. It's not what I ever intend to do. So we're here, and thank you for being here. Imp Day for Bitcoin. Good morning, Tifi, Lavaman, Trez. And I mean the Discord videos is where it's at anyways. Coolmar, Crypto Jim, that's where I give all the sauce. Terry Crow, Hemdroid, good to see you. Good morning, guys. Thank you for being here. They're good for giveaways, though. We do giveaways off of those videos for the gang every week, too. So that works. Jackson Crawford, Julian, DB, good morning, Matthew. How you doing, man? Titan, Commando, Lotus Style, good morning. Thank you for being here, guys. Good morning. OG, Kudo. Amin, MP Trading. I'm long on Soul. You don't know what to do, hold or close. Intention of the trade, man. You should have you're long from down here. You're gravy, man. Do your thing. Sometimes I wonder, 7271, what do I do? What would you guys do, everybody? He's long from here. It's like, is that bragging rights or is that genuine, you know? And come here and I'm long from 7229. I don't know. Lower here. Retest, breakout, retest, order block into Solana here. Good push, but looking for a retest back into here. Coming into the news data, 10 minutes. 3 drives up at the highs, so generally right now we're looking for mitigation. We're looking at short here, generally, but this is our golden pocket of the entire range of the downtrend, so we'll see how we behave. We do have volume resistance and support here as well at 65,120. Or that's an alert. That's an alert. I'm going to put that alert higher up. Volume support here at 65.85. Apologies for that. I don't want to get confused here. Everhart's Big Tony, good to see you. Rich Marius. JR Prince, chilling with the ramen. TD, good morning. Dusty, Ever. Brian, how you doing, man? V Monitor, my brother. How you doing? God bless you, man. Everhart, Brian, good morning, man. Hero, how you doing, Hero? It's been a while. John, appreciate the info you provide. Thank you for being here, Julian. Appreciate the straightforward lessons, Everhart. You're welcome, man. Good morning, Brillo. Good morning, John. Toaster, my man. Lose, Notorious. It's a Hearts. Trying to hold support here. Little 3 drives down. 3 black crows. If you're going to eat crows, eat it warm. You ever hear that saying, guys? Always in here, Alex. Thank you for being here, man. No big red. Hold forever. Double down. Chris Face, good morning. Army Piper. 41% of Americans earning 300,000 to 500K are living paycheck to paycheck. That's wild. That's wild, man. You gotta live within your means. I mean, inflation ain't no joke. Ain't no joke. Boss with the sauce. Sometimes, man. Sometimes. I'm just here to trade with you guys. I was not in the mood to be like entertainment yesterday. I was like, I was tired. I went to the dentist yesterday. It's gonna cost me 3 racks. I've delayed going to the dentist for 2 years, so I have a lot of plaque buildup. I have 2 cavities. Look at how naughty I am. But they honestly, they might as well use the friggin' jackhammer on my teeth yesterday. It was fucking brutal, man. And like I floss and brush twice a day. It's the hot coffee with a little bit of sugar. That's kind of what they said. And I'm a sucker for a Danish. But I've put it off for a while, so it's like I haven't done any maintenance. So, but damn, the lower part of my teeth, they went buck on them, and brutal. I hate the dentist. They're like, "Do you want numbing agent?" I'm like, "No, go straight up, bro. Hit it." Yeah. So here we are after the dentist. 7 minutes, guys, rolling over here into the data. Looking for like a sweep down. We'll see if we do get that sweep down. Nice beard. Cool, bro. Thanks. I didn't comb it this morning or nothing. I don't know. If I didn't have the beard, I'd look like a 12-year-old. Especially with my height. I'd look like an absolute little boy. But I am gray as hell. This is before crypto. I can show you pictures before crypto. A beautiful, nice brown hair. Then I started doing this shit. Now don't get it wrong. I almost make 4 times, 5 times what I used to make as a full-time carpenter, clicking buttons. So I really don't mind the gray hair and the time freedom that I do have today, which is a privilege, and I do realize that. But it's this is not so easy sometimes. Yesterday was easy. 3 trades and done with the day, right? Given the low on the live stream yesterday from here, I should have just stayed in this and hammered this, but I didn't. And then I gave this low, executed live with the Discord as well. So, I mean, we got paid yesterday, even though this was Chop City. So, happy days with that one. And now it's Friday, baby. So, we got the data coming out in 5 minutes. Unemployment rate. Okay, so this. We want the non-farm payrolls to come in above expectations. So, this is everything except farming jobs. That's how I've learned to understand it. So how many jobs are they adding? We want to see it come in above at 80,000. Unemployment rate, we do not want to see this tick up. We want to see, but if it ticks up, we could be looking at interest rate cuts. More cuts. They need maximum jobs and low inflation, right? So they can balance the books. And this new Fed chair doesn't say shit. He's Warsh is very I miss Powell, man. Let's be real. Chair Powell really would give you something at least. This guy is just like, we got these analysts are not forward looking, and yeah, he just like beats around the damn bush all day. It's not as exciting, FOMC. Not as exciting. Breakout retest continuation for Solana. NASDAQ looking strong here. Continuation out. Finding lows. All right. Big old sweep and go. Not bad. Higher highs, higher lows. ES coming into this market this morning. I don't know what took me so long to pay for the NASDAQ data and like the S&P data. I mean, it's so much more valuable. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. It's like $10 a month, man. I got all the goods now. I feel like I've ascended, you know. I'm like Super Saiyan or something on the charts now. I got all the data. I'm trying not to get... Tesla looks good pre-market. SpaceX break even. Micron looks really good here. Micron's trying to push back up into this range after sweeping and bouncing. Marvel too. Okay, so tech stocks looking okay. How about Microsoft here? Microsoft down pre-market. It's been doing good. Meta down. And Google? Google down. Google fell off a little bit of a cliff here, guys. Look at that. Breakout retest. So watching that closely. Same with Nvidia, Nvidia. Okay? There's 3 ways to say Nvidia, just in case you're new here. I do not know how to say it. I just say Nvidia. And then I get corrected in 4 different languages, so whatever. Nvidia. Take that. Hopefully it bugs you. Hey, Alex, are you looking at long or short? Right now we're looking at nothing. We're waiting for data. Let the data come out. Then we'll make a decision. We're obviously in a sell wall. We're overextended to the upside. We should generally be looking for shorts right now into a pink box. Not my favorite pink box. Okay, there's reasons behind that. It's not like, I would say this is like this is a low probability pink box, but it's a pink box nonetheless. Trying to hold here. The way we've pushed into this, you don't typically want to short it until you have confirmation. Okay. We got 1 minute here. Nice push up. 1 hour last night, double bottom. 2 hour trigger wave, looking good. 3 hour trigger wave, looking good. 4 hour confirmation of green dot, continuation up, VWAP crossover. So it's all looking bullish. Okay. Higher highs, higher lows, holding this downwards, upwards trend line right here. So that's juicy as well. Okay. So strength in the move, right? Strength in the move last night. Do we get follow through here, or are we going to top out and round out, right? Are we going to follow through, or are we going to round out, break, and then rotate down? Then we'd be looking for shorts, depending on how we move into the market open. It is Friday, right? So Friday, we're looking for Bitcoin to nuzzle up and get comfortable with a price action here. There's a push down on the Bitcoin price action. A little bit of volatility coming in this morning. Here we go, baby. Thank you guys for being here on the live stream, hanging out with AlexOCrypto. Smash those like buttons. Come on. Big push here for Biddy. Valhalla. Sweep of the highs. Non-farm. Losing jobs, guys. Minus 23,000 jobs lost, guys. Not that great. Unemployment coming down. Ooh, that's interesting. Unemployment coming down. Sweep of the highs. Rejection. Non-farm. That's this is kind of shit, man. This is shit. Oh man. Looking for a sweep of the lows bounce. First move was up. Sweep of the lows. Can we get a sweep of the lows? Looking for a sweep. Can we get a sweep? Sweep it. No sweep yet. Sweep it. Sweep here. Looking for a sweep here. Sweep and go. Let's do it. Push. Push. Oh, yeah, baby. Give it to me. Oh, what? Don't you be doing that. Stop to entry. First move up, Discord. First move up. Let's get going. Gotta love starting the day like this, man. Don't be a namby-pamby douche canoe. Just like yesterday, sweep and go, right? Pretty simple trade. Don't be a dick for a tick, Alex. Come on. Take it off. Oh, no. Don't do it. This gets exciting, doesn't it? Sometimes this stream is just the shit. Up $500, man. Off of a little micro penis move. Look at that. GG's in the chat, baby. Sweep and go. First move is the right move. Can I get a GG's? I'm going to give myself a GG's. Look at that. Ugh. Now we can just sit back and relax. $500. Look at that. Like, if I wasn't live streaming or running a Discord, I'd just go back to bed. You know? I just made $600 US. That is 6 is 8, so that's $800 Canadian. Okay? After taxes, that's about $20. That's the problem. That's why I'm still here. That's why I'm still here. Welcome to Canada, baby. Free healthcare, but I'm paying $3,000 at the dentist. Oh shit. Canadian peso, 70 cents to the dollar. Canada's just getting wrecked. How are we gonna get stopped out here? A little sweep of the lows. Okay, so I can't teach you why. I'm not going to tell you why I took the long. The Discord knows why I took the long. We pumped, we supped the high, we dumped, and we continued upwards. Okay, there's a reason. There's a secret sauce setup. Stopped out 500 and whatever dollars. Happy days, guys. $523. GG's. Rotation down. All right, coming for those lows now. Solana. Whew. Solana, baby. Solana dying. We're here for it, man. I still like the push here, if we can push. Sweep of the highs. Coming back for AlexOCrypto. We know the market maker watching this stream, right? Conspiracy theorists you guys are, man. It's like you give all these men who are supposed to be hardworking, go out, fight dragons, come home, eat sandwiches. They're all here. Now we're all just sitting here on our wanking chariots clicking buttons together, right? So you got nothing better to do than look up like chemtrails and all that shit. Right? I think this is the top. Luca, I think is not a good way to be. If this, then that, man. You got it, bro. You got it. Tony Soprano, my man. How you doing, bro? Good to see you. Wifey knows. GG's. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. Anybody short? Put a 2 in the chat. Oof. Pink box. SFP. I wasn't ready for that SFP, man. I thought we could have gone Valhalla. How about those, how about that data, Piper? What do you think, bro? Army Piper? He's going to be breaking it down. I guess we'll send you to him today, because he knows what he's talking about. I ain't your data guy. I'm a button clicker. To my wife, I'm a button pusher. Oh, man. Data. Happy Friday, everybody. So, overextended to the upside. SFP of the high. Rotation down right now. Looking to come into potentially these lows here and VWAP. Okay, so keep that on your mind. We can see, you know, a little bit of exhaustion here. Obviously, we just had news data, so looking for some sort of pullback for continuation into anywhere in here. Okay, keep it on your mind. Bearish divergence into the pink box. Scratch and sniff, man. Right? You're like, you went over for a day, then you hit it, and then you're like, one more time, and you ran. Oh, man. But obviously, volatility coming into this data. NASDAQ likes it, baby. Look at the NASDAQ, guys. The NASDAQ saying, hey, we going to the moon. Forget about you. All right. ES likes it as well. Let's take a look at our Fed probabilities over here. Sorry about the flashbang, guys. This is going to suck for you guys, but Merry Christmas. 50-50, man. I mean, 45, 54. This is just indecision, in my opinion. Until we have like 30 and 70 or something, I ain't convinced. All I know is this ain't good, and this is better. So this is better, but this ain't good. So we'll see. Trapping traders now. I mean, with any sort of data, if you're going to trade the data, you got to be, you know, in and out, pay yourself. As you can see, like you saw how I was taking profits. I'm just getting my money and stop loss to entry kind of deal, right? We were looking for the SFP of the low here. If you're wondering why I took it, uptrend, SFP of the low, taking the liquidity, permission to continue upwards. Okay, that's the only reason why I took it. Stop loss to entry, take profit quickly. NASDAQ's ripping, man. This is, yoo-hoo. Here goes Bitcoin. Bitcoin going to follow suit. Solana trying to hold on to key resistance or support here. Not doing the greatest job. So a little bit of weakness here. Happy days. So what a good start to the Friday. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here and hanging out. We got 360 people here on the live stream. We got 34 people on the X Spaces. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Taking the trades, showing the trades, trying to make crypto honest again. Not an easy job, but we're here for it. And I do appreciate you being here and smashing like buttons, subscribing if you're new, all that good stuff. Good to see you guys. G1, yo and go off to the pub. Down week for me, sizing down again, having a great one. G1, that's okay, man. Keep getting your reps, man. Manage that risk. You will get there eventually, man. Good to see you, Chicken Man. Good morning. God bless you, bro. How you doing? Chicken in the chat, man. Chocolate, salty balls. We can say your name on a Friday. Good to see you, man. Quick 500 to start the day. Wick 589, good to see you. Crypto Gym, data is mixed. It's the pink box. Yes, Cubanadian, it is. It's just, you know, it's just in here. It's just in here baking now, like overstaying its welcome. It's probably just going to tap it and run now to the upside. All right. The heat is bad in Texas. It's actually perfect in Alberta. I mean, it's like 20 degrees. You could wear a sweater if you wanted to, or if you're a little namby-pamby. It's perfect. It's like in between sweater weather and t-shirt weather. It's just in the right spot, man. Love it. Dry, not humid. What are the updated odds? It's still 40-60, Dusty. 60% chance of hike. 40-60, I'm pretty sure. Let me refresh here. Sorry for the flashbang, guys. You guys love it. Oh! Haha! It has flipped. No rate increase. Okay? So it's 60-40 now. In the opposite direction. See, a bunch of ping pong bullshit, really. Oh, I'm sure Piper will talk about it. We'll trade it. Piper will talk about it, and we'll all be happy, joyous, free, rich, whatever. Taking trades, showing trades. Good times, man. Good times. One scalp, $530. Solana pushing back here. Solana trying to hold key support. NASDAQ flying. ES flying. Pre-market. SpaceX. No. Tesla's up big. MU. I mean, I bought so much Tesla at $300. This is going to be the trade of the year, man. Ooh-wee. You just wait. You just wait. And then I get to say, I told you so. I don't know how many times I told the Discord I'm buying all the Tesla. But you see that new Terafab complex that guy is building? Did you guys see that thing in Texas? Did you see that Terafab? Dude, this guy's crazy, man. You can't fade Elon. This guy going to have more robots than he knows what to do with. He's going to have one to wipe, one to flush, right? One to wash your damn hands, all at the same time. Oh, man. Wild. You think Bitcoin down? No. Not right now. Not right now. Not with the NASDAQ doing this and ES doing this, coming into market open. Consolidation at the highs, 3 drives, right? No mitigation of the lows, so no structure change. So no reason to short it just yet. I said this morning here to the Discord, we don't short this until we have confirmation. Okay? It could take all day. Right? I think we need to close below this low, get acceptance back into this range. Okay, we're way above the range. We're going to have higher term time frame bearish divergence in here. If we break down in here, there's plenty of time to get short. Okay. But right now this is melting face. You want to go and swim upstream, or do you want to swim downstream, right? So you just got to ask yourself that, how to prepare for this market, right? So we have breakout, retest, continuation trade. Here's our downtrending momentum, breakout, retest, continuation trade, long given in advance to the Discord members. We took the long yesterday from the same level on the live stream with everybody. Okay, beautiful $800 day yesterday. Didn't overstay my welcome. Had dentists and shit like that. Had a busy day yesterday. So, you know, the joys of trading, being able to get paid and get away, right? We're going to have bear divs in here if we fail, right? So if we fail in here, there's very high probabilities for us to short and take this puppy all the way down to the liquidity of the lows in here. However, we are ripping right now. We are ripping since last night. So a very strong move coming out here. No reason to fade this thing just yet. Looking strong. Like I said, this is my least favorite pink box in a long time. It's not something that, you know, you go swing high to swing low. You can see golden pocket in here. Sweep of the liquidity of the highs. Not my favorite. Okay. I could explain why, but I don't have time, man, because I'm here to trade. Okay. So continuation up. The daily looks bullish as heck, but we got to watch over the weekend if we do want to roll over. Okay. We're setting up for the weekend, right? So be aware of that. 3-day looks really juicy right now. Do your own research. 12-hour bouncing off the 0 line, holding, looking good. Very nice bullish candle this morning. Engulfing candle continuation. You could still see halfway down the candle continuation up. However, this thing is looking really strong. 8-hour money flow is the tell as well. Okay, continuation up, pushing. Big engulfing candle. Okay, big candle energy, doji engulfing candle. 4-hour continuation. Pullbacks should be for buying, depending on price action. However, if we do get the opportunity to short, believe me, we will. Okay, 3-hour ramping up, 2-hour ramping up. 1 hour beginning to get overextended. Still has, I would say, until the afternoon to continue to push if it wants. So we'll watch that before a retracement. 30-minute continuing to push as well. 12-minute, a little bit overextended here. However, Price action doesn't give two shits about being overextended, right? When it wants to go, there are clearly just more buyers than sellers, and the price continues to get bid up. Happy Friday, everybody. Thank you for being here. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. We're here live every morning. We're doing a $2,000 giveaway as well today. And if you aren't signed up with Bitunix, do it now because it's VIP 3 deposit bonuses, the best deal you can get with them. And then you get entered into the raffle 3 times a week, $5,000 worth of giveaways. So make sure you sign up with that link pinned in the comments there and support the channel. I do appreciate you guys using that link and supporting me. That means a lot to me. God bless you and thank you for being here, and hopefully I can continue to provide value to you. Let's see how we go here. Thank you for being here. All right, now that's out of the way, we can continue to talk shit. Up only. 1's in the chat if you're long, 2's in the chat if you're short, and skis in the chat if you're skiing. Okay. I need to know, guys. So let me know in the chat. Thank you guys for being here. Let's see where we get to. We got a bunch of long dong silvers in here. We got a bunch of shorts in here. Congratulations, guys. I was in and out like a good Boy Scout. Traded the news. Quick slap of the low. Bounce up. Continuation up here. Can we keep going? We'll see, man. It's oh, he's hedging. He's in a long and a short. I feel like, I bet you some YouTubers, they like open up a long and a short at the same time, and then whichever one is up at the start of their stream, they show. You know, they're one of those guys. What do you guys think? You think that's? I think some people do that. I won't say any names, but we're all skiing, baby, both hedging. All the secrets being revealed, right? Oh, man. I got long and short from the top and bottom 20 times a day. Yeah. Absolutely, it happens. If they can't, one thing is, if they can't withdraw, so like every exchange will do this. They'll give you, as a YouTuber, they will give you money to trade with, but you can't withdraw it. Okay? Understand this, guys. This is the industry that you're in. Okay? Understand that they will give you free paper money that looks real. It looks exactly the same. But they can't withdraw the money. You can't take it into your bank account. You can't transfer it into another exchange. I do that. I did that this week. I did that on Monday. So, you know. That's all I will say. Okay? I understand the game. You gotta understand the game, right? Their name doesn't begin with anything. I do not say anything about anybody anymore. This is my gig. They have their gigs. They're wonderful people, man. People are people. We love everybody where they're at and what they do. That's it. That's it. There's no hate. Everybody got to hustle, man. This economy sucks. So they can do their thing, whoever they are. Up only, guys. Doji engulfing continuation trade here. Solana looking good. NASDAQ looks really juicy today, guys. Coming into market open. Continuation up. Almost up 1.5%. ES continuing to melt face. SpaceX indecision, but Tesla up. Marvel up. Micron up. AMD. All of these looking really healthy coming into market open. Thank you, everybody, for being here. To me, this is overextended. So we'll see if we're going to continue. First move up, slap down, continuation up, looking strong right now. I can hear my family. They are up, and I would love to go and say good morning to my wife. So I'm going to leave you guys with, what do we think? Solana lana lang.
So la 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 long, so la 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 long, long live waiting for the pink box to drop. I don't wanna do no top blasting. I just want the green candle to pop. Sweet.
Shout out to Dave Digital, man, with all these tunes. You're an absolute gem, man. Bump it, baby. I'll be back. Coffee long.
Gang, 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 gang. Let's go.
Happy Friday. I always mute it, man. These headphones are too smart.
We identify as pre-rich. I said we identify as pre-rich. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Don't be a navy. Pump it up. Coffee pump. Coffee long. Pump it. Push it up. V-Web slap. Off the floor, Ray Orbison, kicking down the door. Click buttons, make money. Click buttons, make money. Make money. Don't top blast, don't top blast. Take the money and run, pay yourself fast. Don't top blast, don't top blast. Take the money and run, pay yourself fast. Pump it, push it up. Pump it, push it up. Don't be a nasty poppy. Pump it up, coffee warm, coffee long. Pump it, push it up. Better sit low when the chips low. Pocket fat, watch a Raleigh grow. Fit the party like a disco. Stay true to the digital. Stay true to the digital. Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Right. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Push it. Push it. Making crypto honest again. Making crypto honest again. All the gang, gang, gang. All the gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Lord of the King Bieber in the building. Making crypto honest again. Hey, hey, hey. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it. Hit the pink box. Make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it. Trade the buns. Don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, base hits. Take the money and run. Base hits. Now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP. Sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block, avoid the dark mall wick. Stop loss to entry, don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing. The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP slap. Stop it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Stop it, trade the bonds, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Don't be a namby-pamby bullshit. Get out of your wanking chariot. Let's go. Don't be a douche canoe. Manage your risk. Drop at the top. Stop at the top. flip, push it, slap it, pump it.
Baby otters.
Give it the V-wop, slap, slap it, pump it. Hit the big box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the V-wop, slap, slap it. Trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Taking the trace, showing the trace. Stay true to the digital. Auto gang, gang, gang. Bye.
Ooh, pink box time, baby. Happy Friday. We've hit it 4 times.
Auto gang,
The gang.
turn the lights down low.
This got gay really quickly.
You know what time it is?
Oh my
It
God.
is time to get paid. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, pink box. The only pink box that pays you, pays you, pays. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Been waiting all day.
All right. Okay, here we are. We have crushed the pink box. We'll keep it on the chart, but 3 drives up at the highs. Reversal potentially. NASDAQ cooling off a little bit coming into market open here, 9 o'clock. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We always lose about 40 people every time we go for a coffee. It's kind of weird, in my opinion. It's like, where do they go for 5 minutes, you know? But, you know, anybody who can stream for like 2 hours without taking a leak and drinking as much coffee as I do, salute to you, man. You're a better human than I am. Or you got like a stone bladder. And plus, I got a beautiful wife that I like to say good morning to, so why would I waste that opportunity? Thanks for the 2, Wick 589. I love that you're one of my fishbowl people too, bro. God bless you. Dave Digital gets freaky to that one. I don't typically participate. Good morning, you beautiful otters. Alexandra G. AG gets it. That's it. Wick, Brillo, good to see you. Is the Discord discount still up for grabs? You can try it. I think there's still some. Code Vanilla. The Code Vanilla. Play the Cider song. I listened to like 30 seconds of that song and I turned it off. So it's like, Dave, we can't do this, man. Send it, baby. Let's go. Thank you, Wick. Crypto Hung, good morning. Good to see you. One trade today up 500 and change. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream. Can we continue or will we cool off here? 3 drives up at the highs here. SFP again. No trades right now. We took the long off of the low here. Got paid on the pump back up, and the rest is history. Coming into market open, we're overextended. NASDAQ, ES, all cooling off right now. Will Bitcoin follow suit? No trades right now. Showing the trades, taking the trades, making crypto something again. We're here. Happy Friday. Hopefully we can find some more trades today. I do appreciate you guys hanging out here and supporting the channel. You guys are top notch. I'm supposed to do a giveaway for a friend. Here we go. Let's do a giveaway. Here's your membership. We got Some fashion electric garden lady here. This is for a friend. He asked me to do this. Now, don't be rude. Go over to this video. Comment Otter Gang. Okay. Comment Otter Gang on this video. I don't even know what this is. Like and subscribe. Comment Otter Gang on the video. This is for Buck. Do it for Buck. Buck asked me to do this, so I'm doing it for him because he's a homie. Okay, go over here. Comment Otter Gang. We'll do the comment picker. Like and subscribe. All that good stuff. And we'll do a Friday giveaway. We're always doing giveaways here for people that, you know, who've been with us from day one. And you guys reap the rewards from it. So go over here. Like, subscribe, comment Otter Gang. And win a giveaway. And if you're already a Discord member, you get some money. So, yeah, just go and support fellow content creators. Be kind, don't be a douche canoe. Blow up this beautiful young lady, old lady, nice ladies stream. I always support small content creators, no matter what they're doing, even if it's an only toes. I mean, I'm still auditioning for my only toes because I only have 9.5. Well, like 9 3/4 of toes. So thank you guys for going over here. We'll do the giveaway now. Comment picker. Get the comments. 32 comments. Let's do it, baby. Boom, 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 boom. French toaster, the toastiest toaster of them all. God bless you, man. Discord member. I will see you over there in the chat. Thank you guys for supporting my friend Buck, Mr. Book Cannon. Congratulations, toaster. No one better, man. The Frenchest toaster of them all. Open up a ticket, TRC20, bro. GG's toaster. God bless you, man. And thank you guys for supporting other content creators who sometimes, when friends ask for help, you try to deliver as best as you can. That's it. 60% no interest rate increase. Up only right now. Order block retest, continuation up. No trade. Coming into market open. NASDAQ trying to bounce. ES rolling over. Flaccid, guys. Thank you guys for being here. Giveaways done. We got more giveaways at the end of the stream around 10 o'clock. Happy days. Thank you guys for supporting other channels. And here we are, man. Let's see where we go to. Golden Child, what the fuck did I just click? I mean, if you need to go and take a timeout, Golden Child, we understand, bro. You can go, we are all standing here on our wanking chariots, so you go and do whatever you need to do. Oh, man. See, Buck's spreading the love, man. See, you've just discovered something new about yourself. Good times, man. You gotta have a good laugh, man. So 3 drives up at the highs, bear divergence. What's up, Curbstar? Good to see you, man. One trade right now, still waiting. A bunch of you guys are long. Some of you are short. And we are in no trades right now, so we'll see. Bitcoin continues to climb. It's been climbing all morning. London breakout, retest, VWAP hold, continuation out. Double VWAP hold and continuation. Buy level given advance in the Discord last night. Both of them banged, so beautiful. And we took the long with you guys yesterday. We took the long with the Discord right here. So it's been fun, man. We've been doing a really good job lately, considering market conditions, right? You gotta remember the environment that we're in is very what would I call it? It's enticing, right? It's like, ooh, look, green candle, ooh, look, red candle, ooh, and then it gives it to you dry, right? So our job is to participate, but as safely as possible. Right now, we're in a very only uptrend right now, just continuing to push. News came out, initial pump up, sweep of the highs, then rip down, rugging everybody, sweep of the lows, continuation up, and we have higher highs and higher lows into market open here. So this is overextended. We have clear liquidity here. We have clear liquidity here. Okay, we have resistance here, golden pocket. Then we also have 65,600 as major resistance. Red to red. Okay, always looking for red to red. Nice move up here. NASDAQ cooling off, ES cooling off into market open. So a little bit of a warning sign for a potential retracement here, guys. Okay, we could be looking short here if we get confirmation. Definitely very interested in the short as we proceed. 12-minute, a little bit overextended, clearly. We can see the pig nipples forming here on Market Cipher. Impulse fib would be from impulse fib. Let's go 30-minute. No. 15. No. Impulse fib is here. We'll pull that up to here now. We've obviously made higher highs. Okay. Impulse fib, interesting. See if that wants to hold. Liquidity down there. And major fib, if we pull it, it's probably just going to be this red line, I would assume. Okay, that works. Inclusion. Inclusion's important. I do identify as Lord Otter and King Beaver. Those are my pronouns. And I identify as profitable. Okay. Uptrending momentum. A little bit of a weakness on the market here after a big old push. Trying to hold that $29,800 level or $750 level here. Critical support on the NASDAQ. We'll see if that wants to hold through. Solana outperforming Bitcoin this morning. Take that, Wave Cipher. He's been shorting my Solana. Breakout retest continuation up. Solana can easily come back into here as well. So just keeping our eye on the prize. Happy Friday, everybody. Gold is melting face. A mixed bag for tech stocks. Micron pushing up. Tesla pushing up. SpaceX flat. Okay, but we have Google down. Oh, Google's up now. Microsoft was down. Microsoft's still down. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so prepared trader, profitable trader, always preparing here. So can we find some bottoming structure and continue up here for the NASDAQ and the ES? We'll see coming into market open. SPY expecting gap up into this morning. So we'll see how that affects price action. Yesterday was a very much a nothing burger. Very choppy for the SPY. However, it's chopping at all-time highs, right? So we'll watch that closely as well. And thank you guys for being here. Giveaway later. And happy days. I prefer shorts up here, but confirmation is always going to be king. So we wait. Choppy environment. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Curbstar, good to see you. Patience into market open. 19 minutes here. Cooling off. No trades right now. Showing the trades. We're up $500 for the day. Happy days. We'll see where we get to. But yeah, price action, it's hard to be disciplined in this environment. That's all I know. I mean, clicking buttons can be frustrating sometimes, and it's in this environment, I think the key for me anyways is trading the strategy, trading the key areas, right? If you can't wait for your key areas, then you're guessing. You're shooting in the dark, right? You need data to back up your strategy, and you have to know your strike rate, right? You have to understand how many losses you're going to take and how to manage your risk. You have to have consistent position size, right? Like, how many people here are like, oh, $30 a risk, $10 a risk, $20 a risk, right? I mean, I'm typically $500,000 position size, A plus setup, I'll hammer it, right? And it's like, if I take a loss, I'm not trying to increase my size to try and make up for a loss either, right? It's a consistent, even flow that is required here. I'm trying to be less excited about my trades and less upset about my trades every day, right? You see, I send you guys to trades by Matt a lot of the times. This guy just bangs a 9K trade and just like, okay, that's cool, man. It's like, what the fuck? I'd be like jumping up and down like a retard, right? So it's like, it's all a process. You know, I think he's traded for 12 years. I've traded for 4, right? So do your math. It takes time to develop this skill. It's an incredible skill to have. Obviously, it's the biggest scalable job you can have. Come in, click a couple buttons, and done for the day. It's what we all want, but it's working towards that constructively, right? It's hard, but it's worth it. It's worth it. I had a good chat with a couple of my trading buddies the other day about this, right? You can give up weeks of disciplined trading in a half hour, guys. That's the thing. You can be up a little bit or just break even, and you can give all of that shit away in half an hour. And that's what will F you every time. You got to have a breaker, man. You got to understand when you're done. You got to get into tilts. You got to understand. That is numero uno. If you want to have any sort of longevity in this, is you can't give it all back, man. After, you'll be disciplined, and then that one time you're not, it fucks your whole account. Been there, right? Do you give entries? Yes, Dusty. What does the special box mean? It's the highest level probability box that I have on my chart. All right. It's the pink box. It's the only pink box that pays you. Okay. If you know, you know. It's a trademarked box of AlexOCrypto. I see some other people using pink boxes, but I mean, I am the pink box whisperer. Do you have tutorials? I have over 200 videos in the Discord about my strategies, my setups, what I look for, my entries, my confirmations, how to trade certain behaviors, swing fail patterns, Fibonacci, VWAP, orb, market cipher, structure, how to use your exchange, mindset videos. It's all in the Discord. I mean, for the price of the Discord, if I was new to trading and I wanted to learn, I'd pay for the Discord once. I'd watch all the videos. I'd learn. I'd quit the Discord. And then I would become a profitable trader off of the information that I learned in there. Then I'd come back and join the Discord because of all the profits that you made from that. And you'd just be happy to be part of it. That's what I would do if I was a new trader. I mean, you get $88. You get basically a full fucking course. You got to pick and choose in between. I don't make it easy for you guys to know the order, but that might be intentional, eh, Dusty? Otherwise, I'd have to put it in and order and charge for it, and I don't want to do that, man. I'm sorry to hear that, Cripster. God bless your friend, man. Trading while you're sick, trading while you're going through any sort of emotional pain it's definitely definitely hard, man. I'm going through that a little bit with my grandfather. Let's put some prayers in the chat for Curbstar's friend there, guys. God bless you, bro. And your friend. Not easy, man. Not easy. Remember, with grief, there's a reason why you have grief is because you had something in the first place. Always remember that, man. If you are feeling that grief, that pain, you know, you still have something that's worth grieving over. You got to remember it, right? It's about reflecting on the good times and enjoying those times, right? And the time you've spent together. I'm going through it with my grandfather, right? Used to sit there and throw curveballs off that guy's shins all day long. He would sit there catching the baseballs over and over again. I'd throw that 12-6 curveball, bounce it off the ground, hit him right in the shin like over 1,000 times. And he'd sit there and he'd still catch the damn balls, right? He'd go and he'd play hockey. He'd be playing goalie. And I'd top cheddar go for the slap shot and hit him right in the nuts, you know? He'd still play goalie. You know, you gotta love it. You gotta love it, man. Right? Unreal. Unreal. Yeah, it's special, man. It's special. Ten minutes, guys. No trade right here. Not an area where I'm looking for a trade. Right now, this is continuation. Higher highs, higher lows. Slow chop into market open. I want to see what the market open does. We've taken one trade today. I'm happy with that. If you're still in that trade, I mean, we got long right here, guys. So maybe some of you guys are still in that. GG's. And now it's about, in my opinion, it's about waiting. I'll show you the picture. Me and No. Me and No. I had the spiked hair and everything, guys. Chipper Jones classic baseball glove. The Chipper Jones baseball glove. Look. I got Chipper Jones glove there. There's me and No. Look, I got the spiked hair with the big ass ears. I still got those. Look at those teeth, man. I never grew into those. The good old days, man. The good old days. Right? Right? Wild. Gotta love that. That's the shit right there. How's a Friday when we talk the most shit on a Friday and we talk about, you know, pink boxes and we're in the pink box right now, that we end up getting all like fucking emotional. This is definitely astrology for fucking men today, guys. This is gay. I love it. You guys are fucking hilarious. Thank you for being here. 400 people hanging out, talking smack, clicking buttons, man. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. Kind of funny. I've never seen a pink box with 400 people in it at the same time. Dave, man. GAN fans, there are trend lines, man. GAN fans are effective. I would use GAN fans on more macro analysis. So like if I were to use a GAN fan, it's fun to say. A GAN fan, you're typically gonna go from like bear market lows and stuff like that. Oh man, I can't even find my GAN fans here. Give me that pink box. All right. And it's going to help you. And logarithmic might be better, right? You might be better to go log for something like that. And for me, it's just like regression stuff where you can be looking for. Like you could even go from the high here, right? You can go from the high to lows, right? And it can help you understand where, you know, price is potentially looking to get like you can see how anytime you're below, you know, you're 3 to 1, right? You need to reclaim certain levels. Effective, but also useless at the same time. I mean, it's just a bunch of trend lines, right? Spread out with standard deviations, right? So you'd have a standard 1, standard 2, standard 3, yada, yada, yada. So not something I would base my trading off of. It's just like a fib circle, man. A fib circle looks cool, but it's like, am I really going to apply a fib circle to my chart? Is it going to give me, you know, key areas and accumulation zones? Absolutely, but, you know, I'm not. As a scalper, it's really useless to me, right? Like, I'm aware of the tools. I like fib extensions. Fib extensions, they work great for trend-based fibs as well. So like you could look at this, you could go swing low to swing high, right? You swing low to swing high and pull that down, and you can look for like potential extension levels. You can see that we've extended, you know, pretty much to our 3618 now. Can we continue? Very, very good to see like overextension and where we're looking to go. Worked really well for Bitcoin. This is how we knew. In general, right? You know where to go from low to highs. And you can find out really where you're looking to get to by that simple extension depending on where you're looking to go to, right? Look at that coming into our 618, right? Fib extensions here. That's how you know how to sell on at your 124, right? Your 124 2 to 2, right? That's how we sold up here with receipts. Okay, we knew we were coming into this zone. It's not like rocket scientists that we knew that we were getting overextended. There's a reason why everybody was looking at 150. Sweep of the low right now coming into market open though. Again, another sweep. A little bit of weakness here. Thank you everybody for being here. NASDAQ trying to hold below key level of resistance now. Rotation down, V-shaped rejection. We got 2 minutes here till market opens, guys. Thank you for being here, hanging out. And we'll see where we get to. Pitchforks work well? Yeah, absolutely, right? Absolutely. It's all relevant, right? Like, bon appetito. Thank you. Bless you guys. Yeah, I like these lows here with VWAP. I'd like us to come into here. 64,770. 12-minute structure. Our 12-minute lows here. Rotation. Ping Pong's doing its thing, man. 3 drives at the highs. Break is structured now on the 3-minute. Not something I'm going to trade up at. I don't mind waiting all day for this. I don't. The way price action is going, it's going to be like. We know it's coming. We know it's coming. This weekend's probably going to be quite flat. That would be my biggest guess. All right. If you search long enough, you'll find something where the price rejects. Yeah, exactly. It's like an anchored VWAP. You can pull it off these lows, these lows, these lows, these lows. I mean, it's going to work. It's about execution. At the end of the day, we're here to trade and accumulate. So, like, we can accumulate at key levels, right? We can accumulate when we know an asset. I bought it, Solana, $64, right? It's not because I'm special. It's because I've been watching those levels, right? Right. How, without trading, can we join the giveaway? The only way to join the giveaway is by using that pinned link in the comments, and then we do giveaways in the Discord separate from that. So you got to trade under the Bitunix link for the giveaways, unfortunately. And we do free giveaways all the time on the channel for like Discord membership and stuff like that. So there's other opportunities. Let's go, baby. Gap up here for the SPY. Nice gap up here. NASDAQ bleeding out. A little bit of a bull dips here. Retest the previous highs. Potential continuation here. Bitcoin rolling over. Looking weak this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 400 people here on the live stream. Thank you guys for smashing those like buttons on a beautiful Friday. 1 trade so far, 1 long into here, $500. We'll see where else we get to today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hang out here and all those good things. Happy Friday, everybody. Hopefully you've all had a wonderful week. Let's see what we get here. NASDAQ holding on. Indecision. Sweep and go on NASDAQ continuation here. Solana looking juicy today, outperforming Bitcoin. Might push here into a 74.15. NASDAQ into resistance, rejection again. Okay. Bitcoin coming up to retest these lows. SpaceX pushing. Tesla pushing. So all of this is pushing right now, gapping up, pushing out. Looking strong here on the stock market this morning. After the unemployment data coming in, unemployment coming down, jobs decreasing. Okay, so a big job loss, minus 25K job loss when we were expected to come in at 80. So a big old burger this morning. Holding support here, trying to push back. NASDAQ looking strong. Nice push. SPY continuing to climb here. Same with SpaceX. I say SpaceX, by the way. If you're wondering, I don't say SpaceX. I say SpaceX because Elon would be proud of me for saying it that way. Solana looking to push here. Gotta go. Got uptrending momentum on Solana. Really nice here. Solana loves an ascending triangle when it's bullish. Bitcoin holding tweezer bottom into market open. Trying to push. Weird gap here on SPY. NASDAQ follow through. Looking good here. Breakout of trend line. Trying to hold 29,736. Nice push here for the DAC. Continuation on Bitcoin. Higher low. Holding support level. Continuation up into the highs here. Looking strong. Solana pushing out. Nice push here for price action. Can we continue? Retest into this area here. Solana pushing out. Continuation trade. NASDAQ flying, baby. Nice push for NASDAQ. SPY continuing to climb as well. Gold climbing too. So gold's looking good. Big push out. Continuation. SpaceX here. Looking good as well. Tech stocks are ripping, melting face here. Well, first sign of weakness here on the SPY. I wouldn't fade this thing, man. This looks really good for NASDAQ. Bitcoin. Still no trade here waiting. One more SFP? How many SFPs are we going to do here, Bitcoin? Jeez. Madonna. All right. Nice push here for Biddy. Can we get going? Lots of strength in the move here. You can see the volume coming in. Looks like blast off to me. Ooh-wee, look at Solana. Solana, break, retest of highs, continuation up here. Looking for NASDAQ to cool down. Cool down on SPY and NASDAQ. Nope, not yet. Biddy chopping up the highs. Soy by Lana. Continuation up. Trapping longs. This whole area feels like they're trapping longs. Like they send it up, they dump it down. They send it up, they dump it down. And then they consolidate in this area. So for me, it's like it appears to me that they're building shorts here. They being market makers or whatever, right? Like that's what this looks like to me. Now, I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. But that's what this appears to be to me. We'll see. We'll see. Constant bid here for NASDAQ, though. Strength, strength, strength coming into market open. Looking good here. Like this looks juicy to me. This looks really juicy to me, but this is the uptrend. We're not supposed to fade the uptrend, guys. We're supposed to wait for pullbacks to buy. We'll see. Vertical, baby. Vertical. Groovy. Absolutely brilliant, mate. Chop at the top. Upward curvature. 1 hour still looks strong. Red dot confirmed. Cooling off a little bit here. Bitcoin cooling off. Halfway down the candle, wick test here. Ooh-wee. And Q dumping. Solana's still catching a bid here. Solana's bullish. Bitcoin rolling over right now. No trade. Solana still looks so juicy. Considering a long here, if NASDAQ pops off. Wick test, continuation up, something like this. Looking to get up into this high here, potentially. NQ still struggling a bit here. It's a trap. Looks like a trap. Can it hold here? Solana still looks good. Ooh, NQ looks juicy here. SPY bouncing. Biddy still trying to hold this support level here. Big trap. Still waiting. NQ push. I'd like to take Bitcoin up to 65,600. NQ bounce. NQ bounce. Okay. Considering long now. Let's give it a whirl. I'm long. See if we can follow through here. Chop at the top though. NASDAQ looks good. Can we follow through? So we're going to get into the highs here. Maybe one more sweep. Push. Stop to entry. 65.6. Let's front run that a little bit if we can break out here. Up 422. Come on, Bitcoin. Don't be an namby-pamby. Get going. NASDAQ look good. Good patience. Good patience for that entry, guys. Getting paid pretty quickly there. I like that. GG's in the chat. Looking to get up into here. What a fucking phenomenal Friday trading session, man. God bless you guys. Solana's breaking out. Solana's flying, man. Solana doesn't give two smacks about your stop loss, man. Let's go, baby. Push. Push. Can we get a... Should we hold this? One in the chat if we should hold this. 2 if we close it. Hold it, close it. Hold it, close it. 1's to hold it, 2's to close it. Three's to handyman it. A little bit of weakness here. 2's to close it. Trapping longs again. Gonna get stopped here. I mean, I gotta hold it now, right? I gotta hold it now. Don't tell them. I said 65,600, guys. NQ's looking weak. NQ looks weak. That's an ugly candle. Can we follow through on it? I mean, great scalp. I mean, we got paid really quick on that. That's always nice. Love getting paid fast. NQ's rolling over. Stop out. Yeah. Stop out. Should be. Should be stop out. $400. Stop out. Yeah. Nice. All right. Stopped out. Good. Up 900 for the day. Keep going. NQs look weak. Resistance for Solana. Great entry. Quick scalp. Happy days. Uptrending momentum. Can it continue? Absolutely. Am I looking to hold a trade like this? Not really. Not at the top. Whenever price actions very overextended like this, I'm in and I'm paid. Like I'm in and out. If it wants to run, cool. Right? It's running now. If it wants to run, cool. But I ain't gonna not go stop to entry there. I'll hold it below the lows if we're like down here and I'm looking for that continuation trade and there's more room. But up top here, when we're just chopping in a pink box, like this is building shorts like we talked about. So if this, then that, right? That's where I want to short, but I can look for potential push up here. Doesn't mean I'm necessarily going to hold the trade aggressively, right? It's a good little squeeze. Squeezing out a quick $400. Happy days. 2 trades. 2 trades on the live. Showing the trades, taking the trades. 500, 400. Up 900. Happy Friday, baby. Let's go. Push Bitcoin. I know the gang's long. I know the gang's long. Put ones in the chat if you're long. Let's go, baby. GG's, GG's. Happy Friday. GG's to you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Why is 65,600? It's a macro volume resistance level. That's all it is. It's not so important. It's just a macro volume. 65,700 above is actually more important in my opinion. Let's go, baby. It's been a great week, man. Considering this price action and how shite it's been, we've fucking crushed it this week. I think we're up like 9,000 this week. So that's a great week, man. 9K US, that's 12,000 Canadian dollars in 1 week. That's 3 months. That's 3 months of carpenter's pay. 1,600. So I would make take home. So I make 1,600 take home a week times 4. Yeah, so I've made double my wage in a month as a carpenter, right? In 5 days. Eat my shorts, carpentry. And I can still build a house. That's the best. That's 3 years of work in Iran. I'm sorry to hear that. I appreciate it, Wick. God bless you, bro. Hopefully you and wifey are doing well. I'll put the roof on it. I mean, I know roofing unapologetically because I'm a carpenter. I can talk shit about all my roofer friends. Okay, roofing's an extremely physical. I've carried two bundles on my shoulder up ladders. Okay, I've done roofing. Okay, 2 bundles up the ladder, 2 stories. Pat pat pat. The only thing about roofing is that they're all junkies normally. Okay, not hating on roofers, but any roofer I've known has had drug issues. Okay, the thing about roofing tile, it's so retard proof. Okay, you got a roofing tile, you have lines here, and lines here and here and here, and it tells you, it even tells the junkie, I'm sorry roofers, but it even tells the idiots where to put the nails. Okay, it shows you how to line up the tabs, and it tells you where to put the nails. You can be an absolute retard and do a roof, okay? Doesn't mean you're going to do a good roof, okay? If you can cut valleys and hips, you got to cut valleys and hips, and you got to understand that. And your caps and all that, but sorry, roofers. It's the only, in the whole construction industry, it's the only building material that tells you exactly how to do it. All right? It's the only one. So you know, if you know, you know. And the roofers will admit, man. I'm sure the roofers in here, their coworkers have been questionable, right? 20 years roofing. So you've seen it all, man. You've seen it all. I did like 3 summers when I was a teenager. Try framing a custom roof. Yeah, I can cut hip valley rafters, right? I can cripple studs. I've framed a lot of houses, and I've framed custom roofs as well. Not easy, right? When you got your cheek cuts and you got your slope, I get it. But the roofer, they just like to hear the pat, 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 pat. That's it. That's it. They're there for the pat, 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 pat. And they pretend they're like playing San Andreas as a kid. Pat, 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 pat. Pat, 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 pat. Oh, man. Good times. Good fun. Good fun. Good fun. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short, man. This thing's dumping. Orb is in, coming down. That's a nasty candle right here. NASDAQ ascending triangle, indecision here. This is always, I don't touch this. Okay. I don't touch this because this has just punished me so many times. Any sort of symmetrical triangle, stay the fuck away from it, man. You will get wrecked. We got sweep of the lows right now. Very bearish candle here. Very bare. Very bare. 1, 2. 2 green up. Our 12-minute lows still here, guys. Sweep of the lows holding orb. Trying to push again. Get going. Come on, Biddy. Push. Solana looks a lot better. Major macro resistance for Solana, guys. If we break here, guys, Solana's going up to 79. All right. If we can get strength into the weekend on Solana, I am looking for the gig along. Okay. This is macro downtrending. If Solana breaks here, guys, easily $80. Easily $78. However, macro resistance here, so we'll see. What you planning, bro? I'm hands right now, man. This is chop at the top. I've taken 2 great trades today. I got an hour of trading with the Discord after this on a Friday. I've put 900 in the bank. And we got very choppy price action, right? So right now I'm pretty happy with the 2 trades I've extracted out of this micro penis range, and I'm gonna wait. I like lower right now. If I'm being honest, this is halfway up the candle, retest, continuation down. We lose orb and we lose this low. I am looking to giga short. If we lose this low and we lose orb, I am looking for giga shorts. Right? Like I said, this is most likely building up enough liquidity to send price down. Overextended liquidity all the way through here, here, and here. Now, it doesn't mean I won't be looking for longs down here. But to me, it's a trap, right? The trend is up though, so it still has a percentage of opportunity to potentially push here. This is just 3 drives, 4 drives, 5 drives at the highs, lower high. NASDAQ still looks good though. So SPY still looks good though. So Solana, juicy, holding, continuing to push here. Constant bid for Solana here. Really outperforming Bitcoin, up almost 2.5% today, guys. Solana was the trade. Holy smokes, Batman. But it's okay. Can Bitcoin hold? Bitcoin holds here. We're good. Bitcoin rolls over. Not so good. Okay. No trade right now. Still waiting. We do our giveaway in 5 minutes. The complex head and shoulders. There's like three shoulders. It's like Quasimodo's retarded brother, man. How can you look at that as a complex head and shoulders? Like, you've got to be kidding me. Like, if this is TA, if you're looking at this thing like this, if this is gonna make you money, drawing this, look at this. You're gonna make money off of this. Come on, man. Really? This looks like, I don't know, Colorado. That's what that looks like. So, shouldn't haunt you at all. You should be like, this is some funky chicken price action. Literally, it's sideways price action. Higher highs and higher lows. 2 trends. Right? You shouldn't have to do the KYC verification to get the bonuses. Where would the measure take Biddy? Sweep of the lows, 56. This price action, absolutely shite. Well, I'm glad we've taken some money out of this thing. This is where we wait for a decision. I like lower, but we don't have confirmation of lower, right? So we wait. We wait. Solana looks good. Into resistance here. NQ. A little bit of weakness here. NQ. I'm tempted to short Solana, man. The higher she goes, the bigger she falls. Just saying. Bitcoin rolls here, man. Bitcoin rolls. Solana's going to get the friggin' sledgehammer out, man. Oof. Calling the complex is such a goalpost move. Yeah. No problem, Chad. KYC is a trap. Bart Simpson. Losing orb now. I don't have the balls to short Solana, but if I was going to short, it would be Solana right now. It would be right here like this, and I'd be looking to take it. That would be my weekend trade. But I don't have the balls to do it. Like, I just don't, man. I don't. NQ telling the story, man. If NQ sweeps the lows and bounces, very bullish, though. NQ sweeps and bounces, Solana to the moon. Bitcoin losing orb. That's a nasty candle here on the 3-minute. Nasty. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short, guys. I need to know. I'm up basically $1,000 today on a Friday. With this price action, it's a miracle at sometimes, you know. We know we're in a pink box. And hey, Shamitris is short, so you were short until the gang went long? I don't think the gang went long. The gang went long here. I scalped long twice off of a news strategy that I teach in the Discord. The gang knows the news strategy. So I took the news strategy trade. And then I took the slap and go here for a scalp for continuation because the NASDAQ was pumping. Okay. So I took 2 scalp longs. They weren't like, let's get giga long. They were like in and out like a good boy scout. I'm going to regret this one, I bet. If the NASDAQ... Oh, baby. Ciao. Gap down. Ciao. Ciao. See you later. Sayonara. My God. The thing is I know how to... I can re-enter off of strategy, so I'm okay letting this thing go. Dump it, Biddy. Dump it, you nambe pambe. Because if we think about it, it's Friday, right? Like in the last video I talked about this. What does Bitcoin want to do? It's Friday, so it wants to find volume. Where is our volume, guys? Right here. There's our volume. So where do you think Bitcoin's going to go and chill for the weekend? Where do you think? You have to take a wild fucking guess. If the volume is below us, right? We can go back more if we want, okay? If the volume is here, which means that down in here, this is where people agree to exchange the price of Bitcoin. And we are above that. And we are going into a weekend where volatility is low, interest is low. Where do you think we're going to settle for the weekend? Probably in here, right? That's just like, I don't know. It's not common sense, but it's like, in general, that's what I'd be looking for, is Bitcoin to chill in here. Hang around 64,000, 64.5. Now, I could be wrong. That's fine, too. That's why we use good risk management. Right? You're allowed to be wrong, but you should also have, like, common sense bias, right? And know where we are in the week, right? Midweek reversal, false move Mondays. Like, these things all help us navigate the charts, right? What happened on Monday? Sunday into Monday, we dumped. False move. It pushed up. It consolidated. Chopped sideways all week. Higher highs, higher lows. Retest back into the imbalance yesterday. We gave the long multiple times yesterday, and up we go. Right? Bearish divergence on the higher term time frames. Overextended, leaving liquidity below us here. Where's our target to come back to? Minimum. Retest the previous highs. Golden pocket area. Swing low to swing high. Right? Where are we targeting shorts into? Into this area, 64.5, right? Keep it simple. Manage risk. Use strategy to enter. And get filthy fucking rich. All right? Gotta have a bias. Gotta have an idea. Right? And then you trade based off that idea with good risk management, and sometimes you make tons of money. Sometimes you make a little bit of money. And sometimes you lose a little bit of money, but you never lose a lot of money. That's the key. Never losing a lot of money. Look at that Solana short, man. Fuck me. Should have taken it. That's okay. I'm too busy setting up the giveaway for you guys. Happy Friday, guys. God bless you guys. Thank you so much for being on the show with me this week and hanging out and talking smack and challenging me to show up. And I do appreciate it, guys. And I do appreciate you being here and using the link and all that stuff as well, man. It means a lot to me. And hopefully I can continue to serve you guys and help you guys. It really is a blessing. And I'm very grateful for you guys being here. So thank you. I'll do my best to continue to spoon feed you fucks.
All right, gang.
All right.
Feast your eyes on this. Dig in.
Otter gang! Gang, gang, let's go! Lord of the King, Beaver in the building! Making
Nice
crypto
bounce.
honest again!
Sweep of the low.
Give it the VWAP, slap it, hit the pink box, mid the green candle.
Why? Congratulations, why? $500, bro. GG's.
The buns don't get chopped at the top. Base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP, sweep the lows and go, golden pocket bounce.
Sharon, let's go.
The auto block of
Grand prize, $1,000.
Stop loss to entry, don't be a dick for a tick. Market cipher
Congratulations,
printing.
Sharon. Sharon.
The gang is winning. Give it the VWAP, slap it, hit the pink box, make the green candle top. Give it the VWAP, slap it, trade the
It's so rigged. Sharon, SB, $1,500. Gang, gang, gang. Wild, wild. You guys are. Fuck yeah. $1,500. Holy shit. Let's go. Let's go. You guys are all short too. You guys are printing, right? You guys are all printing? What a short, guys. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Fucking Otter gang, man. Prepared you for the short. 2 trades myself. What a great fucking Friday, guys. I appreciate you guys so much. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into, man. God bless you and have a wonderful weekend. I will see you guys Monday. Bye.
Undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. That'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game.